I make over $3 grand a month on YouTube, but just found a way to make $300 a day without even making videos. I'm also going to share a way to hack Amazon deals for another side hustle that could mean thousands a month. We're talking ways to make money online today on Let's Talk Money.
Preview.
So I put this 3-video series together to share the best side hustle ideas I've seen. Now again, we're not talking about some of those lame per hour ideas you see like transcriptionist or spammy survey sites. I'm talking about legit business ideas that will make you $200 to $500 a day every single day. Now I've saved my 2 favorite income ideas for this video, 2 businesses that either one can make you an extra $300 a day. Make sure you check out that first video though. I'll leave a link in the video description below because these side hustles aren't an either or scenario. Put a few of them together and you're easily making that $300 to $500 a day. Now our first side hustle to make over $300 a day, and I didn't even think this was legal at first, is to use Creative Commons videos on YouTube. So anyone that spends any time on YouTube, you see your share of videos that are just a collection of video clips. Search for anything like animal videos and you see these get millions of views and the channels have millions of subscribers. So while the rest of us yahoos are just busting our butts spending hours creating videos and editing, these channels are proving the rule of working smarter, not harder. And just so you can see how much you can make with this, I average about a penny per view from YouTube ads, plus I sign sponsorship deals for some of the videos. Now personal finance is a money-making niche, so these compilation video channels might not be getting that penny per view. It might only be getting maybe a third of a penny per view, but they're hitting millions of views on each video. You look at this Tiger Productions, which looks like just a bunch of kids and pets videos. They've got 2.8 million subscribers and over 1 billion views, so even at that low end, we're probably talking about $3 million in ads on this channel. And you can see that some of these videos are just insane. 22 million, 52 million, 134 million views. I actually thought these compilation videos were against YouTube rules at first because all they're doing is copying other videos. Turns out this is a legit strategy called Creative Commons, and I'm going to show you how to use it right now. So when you upload a video to YouTube, it can either be restricted usage or Creative Commons, which means other people can use it. So these compilation channels are just repackaging other videos for their own, getting millions of views and making boatloads of money in the process. So let's run through an example to show just how easy it can be to make one of these videos and make money this way. So you want to do a funny cat video, because if there is one thing that always goes viral, it's funny cat videos. So you type in your search, you see some of these videos pop up, and then you go to filter and then click on that Creative Commons under features. Now you can click through to any of these videos, and if you look in the description, you'll see Creative Commons reuse allowed. The process for grabbing some of these videos for your channel is super easy. One thing though is that you do want to create compilations, so clips from different videos. You don't want to just grab videos and then upload them as your own. You're going to be putting several clips together all on the same topic to make your own super video that will get you millions of views. So after you do a search for the videos you want and you want to copy down the URL address for each, then you can do a Google search for YouTube to MP4 converter, which is going to snatch the video file and then download it to your computer. With these full videos, you can use any editing software to cut the clips and then put them all together. I use Camtasia, but there are a lot of free video editing programs that you can use as well. You want to cut the clips out, maybe add some graphics like a countdown, just make it your own. You also want to edit out any music if it's in the original video, and this part's important. The video might be Creative Commons, but that doesn't necessarily mean that the music is, so strip that music out. You can add in your own music from the free files available on YouTube, which really is an excellent resource for any type of channel. Now when you publish your video, it's a good practice to add the link in the video description to those original videos where you got the clips. I couldn't find anywhere on YouTube that said this is required, but it's just an accepted practice. It's also something that's going to help your video get views though, because if YouTube sees people watching these other videos and then yours together, it's going to start suggesting them together. So you'll start getting views when the other videos do as well. So that's the basic process, but I've got a few more tips to boost your views and help you make even more money. First is don't forget basic SEO for these videos. If you look on most of these videos, they have next to nothing in the description. This area is gold for telling YouTube what the video is about, so write out a couple of paragraphs here using those keywords for YouTube to understand what your video is and serve it up to people that are going to watch it. You also want to include some affiliate links or some Amazon affiliate links in these video descriptions. Maybe you affiliate with a couple of cat food or pet toy companies and put those links in the video description. Anything that gets 1 million views is going to have a few tens of thousands of people looking in the description, and that could be a few extra grand just in affiliate commissions alone. You can get to where it might only take you an hour or two to put together each of these compilation videos. And even on these lower YouTube ad rates, you'll make $300 a day on less than 100,000 views. And that's not including any affiliate sales you make or those videos that go viral. Now, before we get to that second side hustle idea, I want to throw out a question for the community. So if you've seen that first video in the series, that video on how to make $200 a day with those other 2 strategies, of these first 3 side hustles, which is your favorite and why? Which do you think will make the most money? So scroll down and tell us in the comments below. So I want to get your input on each of these first 3 best side hustle ideas. Now, our next side hustle idea is something so simple but few people are doing, is hacking Amazon's daily deals page. You can go to Amazon any day and click on this today's deals to find some heavily discounted stuff. This is usually products where the seller is trying to build up their sales and reviews, so they're offering huge discounts for 1 or 2 days. Now, prices are usually cut from 15 to 60% or more, and there are thousands of these products available. You can scroll down here and look at some of these. Here you see there's 26 pages of deals today, so definitely no loss for opportunities. So if we click on one of these, it looks like a big discount. So this selfie ring light here. Then we'll open up a new window and do a Google search for the exact item on eBay. There it is, that first listing. So here we see it selling on eBay for $17 versus that daily deal on Amazon for just $7.50 each. Now that doesn't necessarily make it a great deal, but what you can do is actually list it on eBay that same time. So just copy and paste the description and the photos into your eBay account. You can set it to sell just for that day, and if anyone buys it, you go over to Amazon and get it at that discount. All of these Amazon deals will show you how long until the deal expires, so you don't have to worry about not being able to get it at that discount price. Now, the one thing you can't do is use Prime to ship it because you can't ship reseller to a different address. So if you do have a Prime account, you'll need to open a new account, and then you can just ship directly from the seller on Amazon to your new buyer on eBay. So you never even have to see the product. You save on shipping, moving it directly from seller to buyer. You're just taking the profit as the middleman. With this one item, even if we mark down our price from that $17 listed on the product we found on eBay, you could still double your money on this ring light. You can see how it wouldn't take more than a couple of hours of this to turn into a few $100s a day every single day. Now, there are 2 other ways you can use to manage this strategy to make it less time intensive. One is you can hire someone out to watch your listings or just take care of some of the work. You can get freelancers to do this or have someone go in as a business partner. The other strategy is just to make a practice of buying some of these daily deals and then just keeping the ad on eBay until it sells. With this strategy, it helps to focus on 1 or 2 product types so you get a feel for what's going to sell quickly and how much you can charge. Our last video in the Side Hustle series is going to be for the big money. I'm revealing one income idea that just builds and builds to go beyond that $300 a day. It's coming at you in the next video. Make sure you join the community by clicking that subscribe button so you don't miss it. We're here Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays with the best videos on beating debt, making more money, and making your money work for you. If you've got a question about money, just subscribe to the channel, scroll down and ask it in the comments. We'll make sure you get an answer in a future video.